And New York Delta 1427, we're having some pretty bad indications up here with our instruments. I think we're going to have to return to Kennedy.
Delta 1427, you can stop your climb, whatever is easy for you. Let me know what you're stopping at. And advise if you're ready to come back, you need some time to work some things out.
Yeah, we're going to need a little bit of time, but we're going to level off at 15,000 for Delta 1427.
That was 1427, maintain 15,000.
15,000, Delta 1427.
Delta 1427, turn right 090.
Right turn 090, Delta 1427.
Delta 1427, you able to descend here?
Affirmative, Delta 1427.
Delta 1427, let's descend and maintain 9,000 for now.
9,000, Delta 1427.
Delta 1427, turn right heading 180.
180 heading Delta 1427.
Delta 1427, turn right heading 220.
220 Delta 1427.
Delta 1427, flighting 180, descend and maintain 7,000.
180 heading down to 7,000 Delta 1427. Just confirm the altitude 7,000.
Delta 1427, descend and maintain 7,000.
7,000, 1427, will go. Delta 1427, what approach point we set up for? 31 right?
Well, you tell me what you want, and we'll do whatever you want. 1427, whatever runway and approach you want.
And for Delta 1427, yeah, we'd like to declare an emergency, and we would like to request 31 left.
Delta 1427, visual approach runway 31 left. When you're able, fuel remaining in pounds and number of persons on board.
Okay, pounds is 47,000 pounds and 93 souls on board.
1427, got it, and we'll make sure we pass that information to the tower, plan the visual approach runway 31 left.
Thank you.
And Delta 1427, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000, and we're just going to need a few minutes to prepare for the approach, so no hurries on that for Delta 1427.
Okay, Delta 1427, I'll leave you on this heading, and you're going to contact New York approach on 125.7. Let them know when you're ready to go inbound.
Okay, Delta 1427, copy, 125.7.
Delta 1427, turn right heading 230.
230 heading Delta 1427.
Delta 1427, maintain 5,000, and do you know how long before you're ready to go in?
Yeah, we're going to need about 5 minutes for Delta 1427.
Okay, that's fine, Delta 1427, flight heading 230, maintain 5,000.
230 heading 5,000, Delta 1427.
Delta 1427, turn right heading 290.
Right turn 290, Delta 1427. Delta 1427, we're ready to take a turn back in.
Delta 1427, turn right heading 340 and maintain 4,000.
Right turn 340, 4,000, Delta 1427.
Delta 1427, do you think you'll be able to get off the runway?
Yes, we do think we'll be able to do that for Delta 1427.
Thank you. Delta 1427, descend and maintain 2,000.
2,000, Delta 1427.
Delta 1427, do you have the airport?
Affirmative, Delta 1427.
Delta 1427, thank you. Cleared for the visual approach 31 left. Contact tower on frequency 119.1.
For the visual 31 left, 19-1, Delta 1427, thanks for your help. Kennedy Tower, Delta 1427, emergency. We are on the visual 31 left.
Delta 1427, Kennedy Tower, caution, wait turbulence, departing heavy 787, wind 29016, gust 24, runway 31 left, clear to land, traffic off your right, land for parallel.
31 left, clear to land, Delta 1427.
Delta 1427, if able, turn right Mike Charlie, then right onto Papa and state intentions.
Mike Charlie, right Papa, we'll be returning to the gate. You can cancel the emergency.
Delta 1427, continue Papa to your ramp, and Papa Bravo to your ramp, monitor ground, .9er.
Bravo ramp, .9, Delta 1427.